We're back with part 2 of our home office renovation project, and our goal is to get this entire project under $1,500. This is a rough idea of what I had in mind for the space, and today we're building this custom storage and display case. I bought 3 of these wood cabinets from Lowe's for $129 each, and then Ryan and his dad started building the base to the specifications and the plans that I drafted. Because these cabinets weren't as deep as I wanted, they were able to install them with a gap between the wall to create a deeper base, so once we added the side paneling and the countertop, you wouldn't be able to tell at all. Next, we were on to assembling the bookcases. I used the Billy bookcase from IKEA, and we just cut it down to size since it was a little too tall for the space that we needed. We also used construction screws to assemble everything just to give it a little bit more support. Next, it was time to frame in the bookcases, add the side paneling and all the trim work, and then all the finishing work like wood filler, caulking, and sanding. And after a few days, our storage and display case was complete. The next step is to get it painted, and I'm going so far out of my comfort zone and choosing a shade of blue. I want this room to be moody and masculine, and I think blue is the way to go. Here are the 4 samples I got. Be sure to let me know which is your favorite in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and follow for the next part and more home renovation.